Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day, and we're having a little dessert of M&Ms. 1, 2. Oh, did you eat all yours already?
Done.
I was just sitting here laughing at all my M&M eaters. Cheese! Levi, can you say, I'm Irish? Irish. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Look at Izzie with her green beads and her red lips. We had a little bit of a crazy St. Patrick's Day, didn't we? Mm-hmm. That's all right. What happened to our plans today, Izzie? Where were we going to go? Where were we going to go, Pirate Izzie? What was our plan? Where were we going to go?
And Daddy's here.
Okay.
Izzie said, new chair like a big girl.
Izzie's left the building. Levi, how's your treat? Is it good? Do you like the M&Ms? Are they yummy? M&Ms. Okay. Bye-bye.
No, come.
Say bye.
Bye.
No, don't leave. Don't leave.
Bye.